Okay guys, it's your boy Christian Omeji of Optic Digital Hub, and yes, I'll be unboxing the K11 Wireless Lapel microphone in this video to show you if you should also invest your money in buying this microphone, and also to show you the qualities and functionalities of this microphone. Okay guys, so currently I'm recording with just my iPhone sound recorder, and yes, it's sounding very clear and nice, but I still want it to be very top notch and very audible for you guys to listen to. So that is why I went to the market and I got the K11 wireless microphone, because I've heard a lot about it and I also wanted to test it and see how good it is. So we all will be unboxing it together in this video, just like I said. So right now I'll be opening it up. As you can see, it's very new, and the one I got is the one that is for the iPhone. They have two options right here. One is for Type-C if you use a Type-C phone, while this one is for iPhone. As you can see, mine is for iPhone. So I'm going to open up this thing right now. So as you can see, so this is the case. I'm going to open it up. So as you can see right here, you can see what is inside. And the one I got is the one that has two microphones, because they have the ones that have just one microphone inside, but I got the one that has two microphones. And as you can see, which means, for example, if I'm trying to record like an interview or like a podcast, for example, I can have one mic and the other speaker will have another mic. So that is why I bought it, for that purpose. So right now, this is what is inside. This is the pack. So you can see the microphones. Let me remove them so you get to see. This is the microphone one. This is the first microphone. And right here is the second microphone. So as you can see, this is the second microphone. So nice. This mic looks, I like this mic. It looks so nice. Very simple and sleeky. So also inside here, we have this that you connect to your phone. So I'll be connecting this to my iPhone, and I'll then see how it sounds. And one thing I like about this is that it is a plug and play, which means you don't need to start using any app and all of that. You just plug it and it connects once you turn on your mic, and you begin to talk, and it works very nice. I've heard about it, but I'm going to be testing it with you guys right here. So also, I can see this right here. This is so amazing. This looks so nice. Wow. Which means I'm in luck. When I say I'm in luck, you don't understand why I'm in luck, because I'm seeing a Type-C connector, and I'm also seeing an iPhone connector. I thought it was just only for iPhone, but as I can see right here, I have for iPhone and I still have for Type-C, which is so amazing. So I guess this is how it is. Let me keep it right here. If I want to connect that to my iPhone, I just put it like this, and I'll have to connect it to my iPhone. But if I want to connect it to just the Type-C, I'll use it like this. And I don't know, I don't have a phone that is Type-C, but I'll need to test it and see if it works that way. But since I have an iPhone, I'll just be using it for just the iPhone. But that is it for this that I'll connect to my phone. But now let me talk about the mic. As you can see, this mic, for me to use this mic right now, one thing you should first of all understand is that you need to charge it before you start using it. That is why inside the pack, as you can see, we'll have the charger. This is the adapter that I use to charge it. So as you can see, this is the charger, just like your normal charger that you use to charge your phone. So as you can see, you just plug it to your charger and you plug it to this part of the mic, as you can see, and you begin to charge it. So I'm going to charge my mic and I'm going to come back and show you how it sounds. Okay, so I'm done charging my microphone. So ensure you charge yours before you use it like fully, you understand? So if you want to power on your mic, you can see this is the power button at this angle. So you just press the power button, and as you press the power button, you will get to see a red light show. As you can see, can you see it? The red and green light, which shows that this mic have been powered on right now. And I can either hold it like this when I'm speaking, or you can just use this clip and just clip it to somewhere like your clothes like this to make it easy for you. So let me just make it very simple. Don't mind me. So let me just say I want it like this. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use this like this. Now I'm going to plug it to my iPhone. So I'm using my iPhone to now record this video. So you might not see me connecting it, but as you can see, this is for iPhone. And I believe if I was using Type-C, I'll use this. You understand? So that being said, let me just connect it to my iPhone and we'll hear the difference. So I'm going to do that and see how it goes. Okay guys, so I've connected the microphone jack to my phone, and as you can hear, the sound has changed differently from the one that I was just doing earlier directly from my iPhone. And as you can see, this one looks kind of much more thick and kind of much more matured. And with this one, I don't necessarily need to shout. I can just be discussing with you and you will still be hearing me. That is one thing I like about this microphone. So the first thing I like about this microphone is that it's easy to connect. You just plug it and it just connects. Once you tap on this and on the microphone, you plug the jack to your phone, it begins to just capture your sound effectively. The second thing I like about it is how it suppresses the noise around you. I will have to test this microphone somewhere that is very noisy to see the kind of suppression it does to the sound around me. That is something I'll test sometimes later, but this is one thing I like about this microphone. And this microphone, if you want to get kind of much more better productivity sound, and as you can see, as I connected it here, it's not so sounding properly, but if I place it like this and I'm talking like this, it's bringing out the voice very, very smooth. You understand? And that is because I am pointing the microphone directly to my mouth, and that is how most microphones are. So, but that's not so bad if you still place it this way. It depends on how you want to use the microphone. So, that being said, you can see here we'll have something like a manual. If you would like to follow the manual, it's very easy, but I believe since you have watched this video, you already know how to connect it and you begin to use it. So you might be asking now, should you get this microphone? It depends on you. You understand? If you are not getting the kind of quality sound you need in your videos, I would recommend that you get this. You understand? It's very, very amazing. Most people that are just recording with their smartphones, they get this microphone and it's bring out the sound that they need, the right way that they need it. So as you can see, you have heard how it's sounding compared to earlier when I was just using my iPhone sound to just record. So if you ask me, I'll recommend that you get it. So how much did I get this microphone? I got this microphone for around 16,000 naira, and I got the boat, which is the one that has two microphones inside, for 16,000 naira. They told me that the one that has just one microphone is 12,000 naira. So because the difference was not much, I just decided to just get the one that has two microphones inside, because something might arise and I want to just record with somebody else, and this would be very, very effective. So this microphone is good. I like it. I'm going to use it in various ways, not just only recording these YouTube videos. And I am happy that I invested my money in this. So if you would like to get a microphone, you can go over to any gadget shop around you and just ask for the K11 wireless microphone, or you can simply get it on Amazon or Jumia. I have the links on the description of this video. You can just click and just order it and you'll get this microphone. So as you can see, one thing I like about mine is that mine is two. When I say two, I means that I can use it either on iPhone or smartphone, because it came with the Type-C and still came with the port that I can plug it to my iPhone. So this is so amazing and mind-blowing. I love it. So this is my review for the wireless microphone, and I really love this mic. I'm going to still settle down and see how I'm going to effectively use this microphone to bring out better sound on this channel and on other channels that I will be recording videos on. So that is it. If you enjoyed this review and you love what I've said in this video and you just like the output of this microphone and you're here to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. So just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So go and get your own microphone. I will see you on the next video. Take care and have fun.